I don't know if you can see it. There is that line right there is the tornado. Or what used to be the tornado, I'm assuming. I don't know if it's still alive and well. My goodness. And that car just crashed. That was pretty funny. A lot of activity here in New Orleans. So here is the tornado. And here's the guy that just crashed his car.
Watching the tornado. Watching
the tornado probably. Actually his tire popped, but that's pretty funny. There's the tornado again. I mean that thing is that thing is massive. Oh, that was cool lightning. I don't think I got that. Oh, I keep missing on the lightning.
Could sit still for a minute and find out which way to go. But it can't come this way. I don't know how to do it.
Down there is Congress. That's the old run real fast.